國安法已經淪為打壓異見人士嘅武器。
Hong Kong's autonomy was facing an existential threat. We already sense that this law, it would dismantle the civil society itself.
國安法所製造嘅白色恐怖，亦都掀起咗大規模嘅工會解散潮。政府亦都大幅收緊對工會組織嘅控制，組織中嘅骨幹成員亦都被強力部門約見同埋作出要挾，喺強大嘅政治壓力之下，被迫通過解散。
The civic sector has been gutted. We witnessed local democracy dismantle in real time. I was elected as a district councillor in 2019. By 2021, I refused to take the patriotic oath and was forced to resign, ultimately driven into exile.
Since the bounty, I've been getting lots of sexual harassment messages online. I've also been followed. If I need to pay the price to advocate for Hong Kong democracy, I think it's worth it.
What happens in Hong Kong no longer stays in Hong Kong. The world must not look away. Protect those threatened abroad. Never forget those still in prison for wanting freedom. And remind the world that justice has no borders.
可能大家都會有一種忐忑嘅心情，睇唔清前路而覺得迷茫。但係現實係，直至成功一刻來臨之前，我哋都唔會知道答案。我哋今日所做嘅嘢，無論睇起嚟幾咁微小，都係有份促成呢件事嘅成功。